Hey, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the NauticStar 2302 Legacy. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha outboard, 200 horsepower. We'll have a stainless steel prop. You see this boat has trim tabs. Nice boarding ladder on the back. The freshwater shower and a nice transom walk through. Stepping aboard, you'll see a nice lean post with rocket launchers and an Igloo 94 quart cooler. Plenty of seating on the back. Nice circular live well. Looking at the helm, you'll see this has the Infinity stereo with 4 speakers. Nice rocker switches for all your applications. This boat has the white powder coated T-top with LED lights underneath. Nice instrument box. Walking forward, you'll see more bow seating. Plenty of storage underneath all these bow seats. Flip out bolsters for lounging. For more information, please visit MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville location. Thank you.